Well, greetings subscribers, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. This was supposed to be an intro for the Speedway Children's Charities out at the Las Vegas Motor Speedway, doing the oval in the Challenger. But yeah, we made it to 215 in Pecos and popped the hose. So now we're on the side of the road. Again, radiator problems. And I was going to put the new radiator in, but I'm still waiting. Yeah, I'm still waiting on the hoses, so I didn't, but yeah, I guess I should have. And I was checking oil and water and everything before we left, and this thing was dripping gas like just solid. So I mean, it was coming down bad. So I do have some antifreeze and some water, but I mean, if she can't handle this temperature just getting to here, I'm not sure how it's going to do 7 or 10 laps out at the speedway, because I mean, it's still 100 and whatever. So we'll let this thing do its thing. I guess this popped off. So that's my little makeshift puke tank hose, but yeah, it didn't have a clamp on it because it hasn't needed it. But man, this stuff is like super rubber flexy right now, so that's not good. Yeah, so I got like antifreeze spraying all over everything. I'm glad that's all it was, because yeah, coming on the freeway it sounded a lot worse. I wonder if that's, I don't know why I did that, because we turned the heater on.
Because
yeah, it was too much.
Turned the heater on just before it started doing that.
Too much pressure, and yeah, I tried to turn the heater on, just get the fluid to kind of cool off a little bit, go through the heater core, but yeah, having none of that. All right, well, guess I'll be yeah, look at that, steam cleaning the motor. Yeah, at least got that with me. Kind of like the Nash. Yeah, I don't think there's like anything left in the I'm not gonna try to pull that off.
No.
I don't think there's anything left though. I mean, the pressure's pretty much, and there's nothing coming out of it now, so. Because I would say, yeah, it's pretty much
based on what
all,
we trailed
and yeah, the trail coming down. Yeah, we pulled off.
And she stalled.
Yeah, and it stalled out too. I mean, it was that hot.
Want to wipe off the top of the battery?
Well, there's a whole bunch right here too. But I'm not really wiping the top of the battery, because that's not really the battery. I was gonna say, why didn't that drain? But that's got the little acid pool little area on purpose. So yeah, so I mean, I don't know.
Oh, we ain't doing laps.
Well, I mean, if we get this back home, we could get the Corvette and go around, but see if we can vent some of this. Try to help it out a little bit. All right, I think I'll leave that on there. All right, well, I'll be back in a few. Well, I don't know how long it's been, but finally able to get the cap off, because it was only coming out that overflow hose. So unless when the spring was engaged, it was venting. But I don't know with the wind if you can hear that. It is hot. Anyway, we're gonna have Hagerty come and get it, tow it home, because I don't know if I put fluid back in it again. I don't think I have enough. I only got like a gallon and a half, maybe 2 gallons, and I think full system, I don't know how much we've lost. I think full system is 5 quarts, 7 quarts, something like that. So yeah, that's not going to be enough. So yeah, guess I should have probably done the radiator, huh? Even with the hoses. It's just yeah, it's always something. Anyway, well, if we get home and get the car there's still time. We might take the Corvette, head down, so because they're not vehicle specific at the Speedway, so we'll see how it goes. Anyway, see you on the next one.